Again, number of students, their cameras are still off. I told you to turn on the cameras. Please do that. Please do that. Okay. Remember, last session we discussed about political parties. Clear? We already started the session, or already started discussion on the functions of political parties, right? Yes or no? The functions of a political party. Okay. So, what are the three components of a political party? What are the three components of a political party? Anand Krishnan. What are the three components of a political party? Anand Krishnan trapped. Just he turned on his camera. Now the question. Okay. So tell me, Anand Krishnan. Bad luck. Anand Krishnan, tell me. What are the three components of a political party? Leg piece, chest piece. Tell me, Swati of Tensi. What are the three components of a political party?
Leaders,
Leaders,
active members, and followers.
Leaders, active members, and the followers. Correct. Leaders, active members, and the followers are the three components of a political party. Sriram is writing that now. Sriram, are you writing these points now? Already discussed in the last session, man. Please check in your notes there. If it is not so, please write that. Okay. Or underline in your textbook at least. Okay. Leaders, active members, and the followers. Okay. They are the three components of a political party. Okay. So what is the meaning of a political party? Miss Sania Jinu? Sania? Sania.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Sania. What is the meaning of a political party?
It is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government.
Very good, fantastic answer. So it's a group of people, they come together to contest in election and to hold power in the government, right? Hold power in the government. Exactly the correct answer. So she deserves a prize. Okay. So prize will send in courier. Okay. So let it. Anand Krishnan is confused. Prize sending in courier. Okay, so doubt is there. So someone please clarify the doubt of Mr. Anand Krishnan. So Anand Krishnan is always like Mr. Mahaveli, you know, Mahabali. He will visit Kerala once in 1 year. Okay, so Anand Krishnan also almost like that. So Mr. Mahabali, welcome to the class. So all the people are keeping safe here. So Anand Krishnan, don't feel anything bad, okay? If you're feeling bad means please write in a paper and fold it into 4 and keep in your pocket. Okay, enjoy that. Okay, listen carefully, all of you. Listen carefully. Okay, so these are the two basic concepts that were discussed in the earlier class. What is that? One is the components of a political party and the meaning of the political party, right? Meaning of a political party. Clear? So I hope these things are clear for you. Okay, there are three components for a political party: leaders, active members, and the followers. Okay, the meaning of the political party: it's a group of people come together or join together to contest in election. Okay, participate in election and to hold power in the government. Clear? Or to create a government, that's the meaning. Hold the power in the government means to create a government. Clear? Is that clear? Eva George of 10B. Okay, fine. So that's it. Melita, Isha, Devasena, Rohan Raj, Alna. Please turn on your cameras, please. Okay, so back to your textbook, guys. Today we are going to discuss about the functions of the political party. Functions of a political party. Okay. Write the question. What are the functions of a political party? Okay. What is the first and foremost function of a political party? That is from the first answer, the meaning of a political party. You can tell me first. First function of a political party. That is included in the meaning of a political party. Right. What is that? Alna was turning there and here. No answers written on the walls there. Please check in your textbook and tell me the answer. Any idea? First and foremost function of a political party?
Contest for election.
You got from the textbook. Yes. Okay. Correct. Fine. Fantastic. The first function of a political party to contest in elections. Clear or not? Contest in an election. That is the first function. Alnaros. Alnaros playing with the mirror there. Alnaros. We can see the reflection of the mirror on your face. That's what. Keep it aside. Keep it aside. Then come back. Okay. So, dictative, right? A kind of dictative. No, it's observation, nothing but. Okay, simply you are able to understand the things there. What the people are doing there. Okay, clear, let it be. So, come back. Sorry. Here we are. Parties contest elections. In most democracies, so you can write a question here, what are the functions of a political party? Okay, what are the functions of a political party? Okay, in most democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by the political parties. In a democratic setup, we know that there are a number of political parties are there, right? Okay, so they will put up these candidates. Clear? And independent candidates also are there. That's a reality. So, a candidate from the Congress party in Kerala context. Okay, candidate from the BJP or one candidate from the Congress party or UDF, like that, right? Right? A number of independent candidates also. Clear? So, basically, political parties are very much connected with this democratic process, basically termed as the election. Okay. Parties select their candidate in different ways. In some countries such as USA, members and supporters of the party choose its candidates. Clear? Already we discussed that. So in USA, how they will choose the candidate for their political party? Okay. The active members of that particular political party will select the candidate. Clear or not? Yes or no? Okay. So they will select their candidate through discussion. Okay. Party members will select the candidate. Okay. But in India, what is the method we are using in India? Tell me. Okay, tell me. In India, what method we are using to select the candidate?
Election.
Huh? Election.
Yeah, election.
Sriram, tell me. Who will select the candidate?
People.
People. No chance. So it is not the election man selecting the candidate to contest in the election. Clear or not? Clear or not? Selecting a candidate to participate in the election. That's what. So in America, okay, the active members of one party will select the candidate. Clear? They will sit together and they'll decide their candidate. Clear? You want to fight against the other candidates from other parties, other party. Clear? In India, it is not the members of the party, but the leaders of the party will decide the candidates, right? Is that clear or not? Okay, yeah. So that is the difference. In America, the active members of the party will select their candidate, and in India, the party leaders, they will select the candidate. Here I use the term select, not elect. Clear or not? Choosing someone, okay. Without election is called as a selection, okay. In some countries, such as USA, members and supporters of the party choose the candidate. Now, more and more countries are following this method. In other countries like India, party leaders choose candidates for the contesting election. Okay, so it's a very important point. The first function of a political party to contest in election. Contest in an election, underline that. Next one, parties put forward different policies and program, and the voters choose from them. Clear? Clear? So political parties are contesting election with numerous programs and policies. Okay, I already told you that in the last session, right? Okay, the political parties will come to our houses with a number of election manifestos, offers, all right? Okay, and their policies and programs. So if people is able to understand and they are supporting that particular party, they will cast their vote for that party's candidate. Clear? That's what. Next function of a political party. Okay. The parties put forward different policies and programs, and the voters choose from them. Each of us may have different opinions and views on what policies are suitable for the society, but no government can handle such a large variety of views. In a democracy, a large number of similar opinions have to be grouped together to provide a direction in which policies can be formulated by the governments. This is what parties do. Okay, so In a democracy, there are numerous viewpoints will be there, numerous ideas will be there. So it is the responsibility of a political party to formulate a program by analyzing all these views or all these ideas. Clear? Clear? Okay, so for example, okay, I told you, you're going for a class tour, clear? A tour program, a picnic. Then we will discuss in the classroom along with the teachers and the management, right? Okay, what place you want to choose as the picnic spot? Clear? Some people will say Ooty, Kodaikanal. Some people will say Munnar. Okay. Some people will say Cochin. Okay. So 1 day tour. We are not going to abroad. Okay. So just a 1 day tour, right? So some people will say, so anyway, Munnar and Ooty, Kodaikanal cannot complete with 1 day, right? Minimum 3 days necessary. Okay, let it be. So in the list, different places will be there. So all these people will start quarrel. You people started, you will start quarreling there, right? Yes or no? You are observed that?
Yes, sir.
No. Teacher will come and say, tomorrow we are going to Kodaikanal. So you are ready, right? No opinions? No opinions? Opinions are there or not? And if Fisan will say, okay, I will not come. I want to go somewhere. They are correct, Fisan?
I'll come.
Definitely you should come. Okay, so let it be. It is like that. So different people, they will come forward with the different ideas. Okay, some people, they like a coastal area. Some people like hiking, mountainous region. Right or not? Some people simply, they want to sit at home, okay, by enjoying the food from the kitchen. Like that, various ideas are there. Understand? Clear? So it is the responsibility of the teacher or responsibility of the management to coordinate these different viewpoints and make a single decision. Clear? Clear or not? So they will start convincing the people, right? So if you are going there, means it is not good. Okay, it will take much time. So we are not going there. Instead of that, we are going here. So convinced. Okay, so it is a political party. The political party is also doing the same. Clear or not? But they are not coming to convince us. They will take decision by observing all these ideas and opinions. Okay, so that is the second function of a political party, to formulate programs and plans. Okay, formulate policies and programs is the second function of a political party or any political party. Clear? Clear? So a party reduces a vast multitude of opinions. Multitude of opinions means different opinions. Okay, a few basic positions which is support, and a government is expected to base its policies on the line taken by the ruling party. So ruling party, the party, okay, that runs the government, that party will take the final decision. Clear? Clear? No other party is able to question it. Why? Because that is the responsibility of the ruling party to take the decision. Okay, or make the plans and programs, the ruling party. Clear? The ruling party, the party, basically they are making policies and programs for the people in the country. Clear? Is that clear? That is the second function of a political party. Okay, making a policies and programs. And the third function is making laws for a country. Okay, parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Formally, laws are debated and passed in the legislature, but since most of the members belong to a party, they go by the direction of the party leadership, irrespective of their personal opinion. Okay, so the third function of the political party is making laws. Making laws. So we know that in daily life we are following different rules and regulations, right? Yes or no? Numerous rules and regulations we are following. So rules and regulations in example, Abu Dhabi, Anjali Priya from here, Isha from Dubai, I think so. Okay, so rules in those countries different than our country, India. Differences are there. Yes or no? Yes or no, Anjali Priya or Isha? Isha's camera is off there. I don't know where she is. Isha, are you there? So a number of you people might visited these foreign countries there, and you know the differences in the rules and regulations, right? Yes or no? No or not? Okay, basically in the traffic rules, it is different. Clear? Difference in the sense, some countries following left-hand driving, some countries are following right-hand driving, right? Clear or not? In some countries, special lane is there for the two-wheelers. Okay, for the pedestrians and for the cycles, different lanes are there. In India, what is that? Indian special lanes are there.
Common.
It is for everyone. The road is for everyone. If an accident occur, the driver first asks one question to the opposite vehicle's driver. Is this road is belong to your dash? Okay. Yes or no? Okay, I'm not going to finish it. Okay, definitely they will ask. Okay, so if someone is driving wrong or a wrong driving, definitely the public will ask the same question. Okay, this road is your, okay, finished. Okay, let it be. So it is a common property for everyone, right or not? All people are using that, right? Okay, those who know driving, those who don't know driving, those who have license, those who do not have license. Okay, a road is a public property. Sellers are on the road. Okay, there is no separate for the cyclists. There is no separate for area for the pedestrians. Okay, footpath is there, but we cannot find a footpath in India, right? Huh? It is constructed there, but they are all filled with different cellars. Or if you are following the footpath, maybe 2-3 slabs are missing. We will find the drainage. Okay, so next day newspaper report will come there. So and so fall in the drainage and the leg broken into 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Then they will celebrate. They will celebrate that with 2-3 days. Okay, that's what Indian, what do you can say? Roads, okay, especially made for India. Okay, so let it be. So for example, I told the different rules and regulations are there, right? Clear or not? Who is the person? So who are the people? Those who are making all these rules and regulations. The administrative unit, right? The government. Clear? Clear. Okay. So if it is a monarchy, example Anjali Priya's countries, Abu Dhabi or Dubai. Okay. So those countries are not democratic countries, right? Ruled by a king, and administrative system is always connected with the king and his family, right? Yes or no? Let it be. So their rules are different than the Indian rules. Indian rules in the sense it's a democratic country. Basically, we are giving all the powers to whom? The democratic government. Okay. So the ruling party will take the decisions. Clear? Ruling party will take the decisions. All right or not? There is no great say for the individuals, publics. Fizan, is that oxygen mask? Fizan,
No, sir.
playing there, are you playing?
No,
Huh?
no.
This is a, what you can say, it is an online class. So I am unable to, okay, balance you will fill. Okay, you can fill it. You will fill definitely, and you can fill it. Okay, if it is a real-time class, okay, Fizan will fly in the air. And will okay, come back. Anyway, you people are lucky. Okay, get the class from home. Listen carefully, man. Okay, come back. Angelo is asking something there. Angelo, what happened? Angelo, Susan, Jindo, what is going on? Someone is standing with a chocolate or something in front of your camp. I mean, just forefront of your camp. No. Okay, let it be. Come back. Sean Roshan, finally his camera is on. Congratulations. Okay. So a prize is there for you today. Okay. So you are the winner of the lucky draw. Okay. Who is that? Sean Roshan. His camera is on. Okay. So just show your face, man. I don't know. Please show that. Yeah. So one more time. Perfectly. Yeah, fine. Fantastic. So finally you opened your camera in the month of June, I think so, right? And the first time in July. Very good. Okay. So I noted the date. Okay, come back, guys. Ahlam Fatima is thinking something seriously. Okay, this class or something. Okay, so come back. So we discussed about the 3 functions. The first function is contest in election. Second function is making policies and programs. The third function is making laws. Making a laws. Clear? So making laws in the sense, the ruling party. So there are numerous laws are there. Okay. For example, I can say that smoking in public premises is a punishable offense, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? So I'm not sure about that, right? Okay. Anyway, it's a offense. Clear? Okay. So who made this rule? That's the question. What is your answer? Government made it. Okay. So why we want to obey this? BJP government made this law, but I am believing in Congress party, and why I want to follow this rule? Can anyone tell me like that? Can anyone tell me like that? No, because it is the government. Whatever may be the political party, once elected by the people, that government is for everyone, right? The government is for everyone, not only for that particular political party, clear? The government is for everyone. So we have to obey, clear? That's what the third function, making laws. Okay, next one, fourth point, parties form and run government. So, after the election, the majority party will make the government and run the government, and it will run the government. If there is no sufficient majority or sufficient seat to create the majority, what will happen? Number of political parties will together make the government. Clear? Already you studied about that, I think so. It's called to be the coalition governments, right? Studied or not? Coalition governments. What's a coalition government? Okay, yes. I will tell you. Yeah. So here, election is going on, election process. Okay. So there are numerous parties are there, like party A, party B, party C, party D, party E. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parties are there. So total number of members in the legislature is 140. Okay, clear. You want to make the government, one party at least wanted to win in 71 seats. Simple majority. Okay. Half plus 1. 140 divided by 2 plus 1. It is 71, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is that clear? So in that election, party A got 25 seats. Party B, again 20 seats. Party C, 50 seats. Party D also, party D, again say 45 seats. Okay, E 0. Okay, party E 0. Tell me, any single party is able to make the government?
No, sir.
No, why?
No, sir.
Why? What is the reason? Huh?
Seats are
Seats are lesser than 71. Lesser than 71. Clear? Okay, so discussion started. Okay, so party C and party A decided to join together. Party B and party C or party D, D, they also decided to join together. Now tell me who will rule? Which combination will rule? Which combination will rule?
A and C.
A and
C.
A and C. Okay, 25 plus 50. Anyway, it is 75, more than 71. More than 71. So they will make the government. So it's not a single party, but two parties or more than two parties together made the government. So such kind of governments are termed as a coalition governments. Is that clear? Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no answer.
Sir.
What is that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
SR. Okay, so that's it. That is the idea. Clear? That's called the coalition government. So parties will form the government and they will run the government. Clear? They will form it and they will run. Right? So if there is no clear majority, number of parties will join together to run the government. Such kind of governments are termed as the coalition governments. Coalition governments. Please understand what is a coalition government. Okay. Not mentioned here, but for understanding I told. Okay. So, parties form and run government. As we noted last year, the big policy decisions are taken by the political executive that comes from the political parties. Parties recruit leaders, train them, and then make the ministers to run the government in the way they want. Clear? So, what the parties will do, they will run the government. How they will run the government? Basically, they will train the leaders. So, numerous leaders are there in a political party, right? Okay, the political parties will train them. What is the training for the political party leaders? Throwing stones at the police vehicles? Is that it's a part of training? Or participating in the media interviews? Is that a part of training? Or participating in the public issues? Is that a part of the training? Of course.
No.
Fison told no. First two cases, Fison told yes. Last case, he told no. So that's the reality. Everybody will say like the same. Okay. So we are observing that, right? These political party leaders are doing, basically their atrocities are there. Okay. But their intervention in the public affairs or social problems are minimum. Okay. Clear. Okay. But actually, they have to participate in the social issues. Today, we know that petrol price again increased. Okay. Some political parties are arranging some programs. What is that program? You know, protest movement. Okay, they are started cycling from one place to another. Okay, simply they will waste their energy. Clear or not? And the photograph will come in the newspaper. Okay, so and so protest against the petrol price hike by cycling. Okay, they are happy. Their picture came in the newspaper. Okay, they are alive. They are in the limelight. So that's enough for them, right? For publics, what happened? Petrol price decreased. Is the petrol price decreased? Yeah. After the cycling, no. We want a creative interference. Clear or not? Okay, just cycling, stopping the vehicle somewhere, and we say chakrastambanam. Okay, all the wheels are stagnated there. There is no movement for the wheels. Chakrastambanam. That's a protest movement. Petrol price decreased, not decreased. Okay. So these all will create a sense in the mind of the people. What is that? These political leaders, they are doing just for the sake of their publicity. Clear or not? Just for a publicity, it seems. Is that clear for you? Okay. So political parties, they are making leaders. They are giving training for the leaders and making them ministers. Making them ministers. Clear? In Kerala politics, there are a number of ministers are there. So we are not speaking anything against them. But if you are observing their quality, okay, we cannot find one with good qualities. Clear or not? No one is there. Nobody is there. But at the same time, some exceptional cases also are there. Highly educated people are there. Clear or not? They are able to give good decisions or good opinions. But these nonsense people will not accept it. Clear or not? Some people are there. They will say that I will decide. I am the government. I will decide. If you want, you follow, or else go from the party. Okay, please get out. That's what the attitude of the political party leaders there. So that is not a good one. Okay, so creative ideas are there means they have to accept it. It is from the opposition party, it is from other individual, whatever it is the responsibility of the government to accept. Clear? So this is the fourth function of the political party. What is that? Form and run governments. Form and run governments. They are training the leaders and always they are trying to make them as ministers. Okay. Fifth one. Those parties that lose in the election play the role of opposition. In the first case, A and C together, 75, they made the government. Okay. B and D together, only how many seats are there for them? 65 only. So, these parties are termed as the opposition party, right? Yes or no? B and D and even
yes,
E,
sir.
there is no representation, 0. So, that party is not in the legislature, so not the part of the opposition. So, B and D, that parties are acting as opposition. And they will choose an opposition leader also. Opposition leader. Clear? That is the fifth function of a political party, role of opposition. Those parties that lost in the election play the role of opposition to the parties in power, the voicing different views and criticizing the government for its failures or wrong policies. Opposition parties also mobilize opposition to the government. So, opposition parties always will observe what the government is doing. Okay, if the government doing any unwanted things, okay, or the things that is not good for the people, the opposition party will criticize the government. Opposition party will criticize the government. Okay, through different protest movements, okay, agitations, rallies, okay, they will protest. But these political leaders are facing a problem now. There is no rally, no protest movement because of Corona. Okay, so there is no chance to do that. So they are in great depression. Okay, let it be. Okay, is that clear or not? Clear or not? So if you are observing the legislative house process or procedures in the legislature, Okay, some news channels will broadcast that. If you observe, so we are able to find out what is the procedure and how the opposition parties are reacting against the bad principles or policies of the government in the legislature. Clear? Okay, within the legislature or outside the legislature. Okay, how they are reacting. Okay, so this much enough today. Okay, the functions of the political party. Okay, one more is there, I think. We'll complete that also. Okay, two more are there. We'll complete that also. Parties shape public opinion. Parties shape the public opinion in the sense, example, if government decided something, okay, but it is not in favorable or it is not favorable for the people. Okay, so other political parties will discuss with the people and plan.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hello?
Sometimes your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And they will plan some programs against the government. Example, you might know a program called Adirapilli Power Project. Heard about that? Adirapilli.
Adre.
Huh?
No.
Yes, sir.
Heard or not?
Adre.
What?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, people in that locality is against that project. Clear or not? And they are protesting against the government with the support of opposition party. Clear or not? With the support of opposition party. So, these parties are able to formulate public opinion. Okay. Sometimes public opinion in support of the party, sometimes it is oppose the government. Clear? They are clear or not? So the political parties can help the people to shape the public opinion against the programs that by the government. Okay, so read here. They raise and highlight issues. Okay, political parties raise and highlight different issues. Parties have lakhs of members and activists spread all over the country. Many of the pressure groups and the extension of the political parties among different sections of the society. Parties sometimes also launch movements for the resolution of problems faced by the people. Often opinions in the society crystallize on the lines parties takes. Clear? So parties, our political parties are able to take up the problems of the people against the government. Okay. Clear or not? Basically, opposition parties will do that. The ruling party will not do the same because they are not interested in that, right? So we know that at the time of the Congress government, BJP leaders protest movements in different ways. At that time, the price of petrol is increased from 58 rupees to 60 rupees or something, right? Clear? So all the BJP, so that time it was Congress party. Okay, that time BJP members, BJP leaders, they started protest movements. By dragging the vehicles on the road, pulling the vehicles on the road, using bullock carts on the road. Like that, they protested. Okay, what happened? Petrol price increased from 58 rupees to 60 rupees or something. But now the cost of petrol, it is nearly 103 rupees per liter. Now BJP leaders are protesting or not? Are they protesting or not? No.
Yes, sir. No.
Yes, sir. Very good.
No.
Okay.
No.
So girls know that if they prepare something and it is spoiled, they will not say to anybody, they will eat it and finish. Right? Like that. Okay. So now no BJP leaders are participating in this kind of protest movements. They know that price is too high. Okay. But they are the ruling party. They will not do that. So other political party want to do it. Clear? Okay. That's what I told about this cycling program. Okay. Cycle rally. Let it. Last function of political party, access to government machinery and welfare schemes. Access to government machinery and welfare schemes. So there are a number of local party leaders you can find in your locality, right? Local party leaders. Okay. So are they people helpful for you?
Yes,
People
sir.
are helpful for you people.
Yes, sir.
In different ways they are helpful. All right. We cannot say that they are useless people or something like that. In number of incidents are there, these local party leaders can or they helped the common people. Right or not? Because they want vote in the next election. So they will help. So they will help us to get some basic benefits from the government. Clear? They will help us to get the benefits from the government. Example, now it is COVID vaccination. Okay, so the political parties are helping them. Clear? So in my town, Irinalakuda. Okay. There's a huge camp is organized by one party, Congress party, and provided a vaccine for nearly 3,000 people freely. Clear or not? So it's a political party's activities, right? Clear or not? It's helpful for the people. So I'm not supporting a particular party here. I just told that. Okay, so number of other political parties also are there. They are supporting, okay, or helping the people. So DYF is what you can say, a youth organization of CPM. They're providing food for the hospitalized people, right? Okay, in medical colleges, they are providing midday, lunch for them. Clear? Number of the Seva Bharati, it's a unit of RSS, BJP. They're helping the people to move from one place to another. They're using their own vehicles. Clear or not? So like that various things they are doing at the same time, okay, they are doing for things for value worth rupees 10 rupees and they are making trouble for us worth rupees 100 rupees. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, what I told? They are helping us worth rupees 10 rupees, okay, or 100 rupees, and creating problem for us worth rupees thousands or lakhs. Let it be anyway. Okay. So anyway, they're helping. So these people are always helpful for us to get help from the government, right? Clear? Clear or not?
Clear.
Okay. So we completed the functions of a political party. Hope you will read and understand all these things there. And we will meet in the next session, guys. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.